In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video into Google Slides. To get started, open your presentation in Google Slides and navigate to the specific slide where you want the video to appear. This is important because the video will be inserted directly onto the slide you currently have selected, so it helps to decide on placement before adding it. Once you're on the right slide, move to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Video. This will open the video insertion window where Google Slides gives you a few different ways to add your content. This is helpful because you're not limited to just one source. From here, you can choose to insert a video from YouTube, which is a great option if your video is already published there, or if you want to link to public content. You can also use the By URL option if you have a direct video link available and want to paste it in manually. Finally, if your video file is stored in Google Drive, you can select it from there as well. That's especially useful for presentations that rely on private or internally shared video content. After choosing the source that fits your needs, select the video you want to use and insert it into the slide. Google Slides will place the video directly onto your presentation, and from there, you can reposition it and adjust its size so it fits naturally with the rest of your slide layout. For the best result, make sure the video doesn't cover key text or visuals unless that's your intention. If you're presenting live, it's also a good idea to test the video beforehand to make sure it plays properly and that the source is accessible. For example, if you're using a Drive video, confirm that the file permissions allow it to be viewed during the presentation. If you're using a YouTube video, make sure you have a stable internet connection when presenting. That's really all there is to it. Open your Google Slides presentation, go to the slide where you want the video, click Insert, then Video, and choose whether to add it from YouTube by URL or from Google Drive. Once inserted, place it where you want and make sure it works before presenting. And that's how to embed a video into Google Slides quickly and easily.